My 5 technologies is Socrative. It is web-based, not device-specific. It'll work with any browser and it is free. Of course, there is a version that you or your district could pay for. I selected it because it's great with assessments and understanding real-time data. My audience, of course, would be my students, not primarily, but it would also give me information to share with administration and parents as to where students are at that particular time. This is their web page. You can sign here. It tells you where to sign up. It gives you a little overview. You can create quizzes at the speed of learning. There's different activities you can do. You get instant feedback and know which student needs help and what material you need to cover again. You can create personalized activities, and it allows more time for teaching in the classroom. I didn't log in yet, so I'm going to do that now because I wanted to show that first page. Okay, I am signed in, and here is the home page where you can make quizzes. You can make the space race, which is a little bit like Kahoot. You can provide an exit ticket, or you can make some quick questions. Your quizzes here. There was one that I just came with it. I do not teach world history, but you can see how a quiz would work. There's true, false, fill in the blank, and you can add whichever questions you want. You can create different rooms. This one I set up for my human growth class, but you could do it for all of your classes, and it would be stored here. You can gather reports and you can get results one question at a time, or you can hide your answers, you can show names, however you want to get your results. The standards that I thought went along with this are 2C, evaluate, process, and strategic plan, make course corrections, measure impact, scale effective approaches for using technology, and transform learning. I think this will definitely transform learning. And 2D, communicate effectively with stakeholders to gather input and plan, celebrate successes, engage in continuous improvement cycle. I think this is where the immediate data and assessments would come into play. Thank you.